Now usually when you see a Dyson product, you look at it and go, wow, that looks really nice. And then when you see the price, you go like, and then you go away. So in this video, I'll let you guys know why you should really consider getting a Dyson PureCool Purifying Tower Fan, also known as version TP04, and I'll also explain to you guys what is the dope technology that is in the fan, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release high quality videos every single week, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times or even sometimes 4 times a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back to Dope Tech episode 3. Now starting from the unboxing, since the fan is tall, it comes with a rather tall box where you'll find the remote control kept inside of a little box, where inside that box there's the power brick adapter. Then inside you'll find both sides of the filter, which is the glass HEPA filter and the activated carbon filter. Then there's the instructions manual and of course the tower fan itself. And then setting it up is pretty straightforward by just putting the filters in and then turning on the power, where it will immediately sense the environment that you're in. Alright, let's talk about the design and also the build quality. As you guys can see that this is hands down the best design that you can see in any fan out right now. It has a really nice minimalist design at about 3.5 feet tall. Then there's 3 colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have is of course the white and silver, #whitelove, as you guys know how much I love white. And then there's also iron and blue and black and nickel. Now the overall fan is made of high quality industrial grade ABS-like glossy plastic, which was quite solid and made the overall tower felt really light to my surprise, about 4.98 kgs, which made the fan really mobile to be placed anywhere within your home. Now while the fan is marketed to be placed right in the middle of the room, since it can oscillate up to 350 degrees, you don't have to, as you can control the fan to blow according to the direction that you guys choose. And a single Dyson PureCool Purifying Tower Fan can cover about a purification of close to 300 square feet. Now other than its amazing design and the build, where the Dyson PureCool Tower Fan really shines is the amazing features and also the technology that is built into the fan. Now firstly, it's just not a typical fan, as it also has an air purifier which can purify up to 99.95% harmful pollutants, where believe it or not, there's so many pollutants in the air that you can't really even see or even smell them. Now this is pretty much new to me, but there are some pollutants like PM10, which is pollen and also allergens, PM5.0, which is more on bacteria and mold, benzenes and VOCs, which come from cleaning products, and even scented candles. Yes, that includes the nice smelling ones that you get from IKEA. And there's also formaldehyde from carpets, rugs, flooring and many more. So yes guys, because we can't see or even smell these pollutants, that's where Dyson has included a very nice LCD screen right in front of the tower to sense your current environment and to even clear the whole entire air accordingly, which is really neat. And then you can also view other options within that screen using the included remote. Now to do that, you just need to press the info button, where you'll see the room's recent air quality history, the current PM 2.5 levels, this is for smoke, bacteria and allergens, the current PM10 levels for pollens and also allergens. Then there's current nitrogen dioxide levels, volatile organic compounds within the room, temperature and humidity, and the remaining life of the filters. Now going further into the remote, you can increase or even decrease the airflow. Then you can also change the airflow directions, set angles for the oscillation, activate night mode and the sleep timer, where the screen dims down just a little bit and the overall airflow will be at its quietest settings, and then turn it off according to the timer set. And what's also really cool and nice, that Dyson has cleverly let us place the remote on top of the tower fan, which has magnets to ensure it doesn't fall off.
Yeah, magnets! Oh!
And you can even monitor all the information and more through the Dyson Link App, which is available for Android and iOS devices. Then going further into the app, you can also see there's options to receive daily and even weekly quality air report. Then there's a remote function to control the fan wherever you are as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection within the room, which is always a really nice welcome feature for a smart home fan like me. Then you can even adjust the oscillation as well according to the direction that you want, set timers and all the similar features of the remote. Then you can also set schedules over there for morning, all day, evening and night as well. And another good news is that since it is Wi-Fi connected, you can also use the integration with Amazon Echo by adding the Dyson skill on the Amazon Echo app for the total voice control as well, just like this. Alexa, ask Dyson Pure Cool to turn on.
Your purifier is now on.
Alexa, ask Dyson Pure Cool to set speed to 10.
Your purifier is now set to speed 10.
Now when it comes to cleaning, what sets Dyson's technology apart from other competitors, especially for the cheaper options out there, is the overall testing standards. Now the typical testing from other purifier is through CADR, which has its limitation, especially with a fan on top, where the purification is within the bubble of clean air, only around them instead of the whole entire room. But Dyson has gone the extra mile to create its own polar test chamber, which is equipped with 9 sensors to extend its better purification technology to really map out every single area within the room to make sure that it's purified. So it senses the air, capture the gases and the ultrafine particles and then mix, circulate and project the purified air around the whole entire room. Then it uses a 360-degree seal filtration system packed inside at the bottom of the tower. Now it's so advanced that you can even capture particles as small as 0.1 microns. Now in case you guys are wondering how small 0.1 microns are, in layman terms a human hair strand is 75 microns. So just imagine how small 0.1 is. And of course this is possible to its 2 main filters, which is the glass HEPA filter, which is pleated over 238 times to capture ultra-fine particles, and then there's also the activated carbon filter, which does the hard job of capturing all the harmful gases like formaldehyde, benzene and also nitrogen dioxide. Now having all these filters wouldn't do justice without having proper sensing technology, as the Dyson Pure Cool has a very unique algorithm through the particulate sensors, the gas sensor and the humidity temperature sensor to accurately monitor your environment and do all its hard work. Now when it comes to the airflow comes out right from the little holes within the tower's frames, and then there's 2 airflow modes. First is the forward projection where it blows the air in front, and then there's also a diffuse projector where the air blows inside at the back instead. And yes, this means that it uses lesser energy and also is quieter since it has a wider aperture. So yes, that is the amazing technology and the dope tech that Dyson has put into every single product of theirs. And I hope you guys learned everything that you guys need to know about Dyson's aesthetics, the design and also the philosophy, and of course the best purifying technology within their Pure Cool devices. So with this also, I hope you guys finally understand how important it is to have and also invest on your health instead of buying expensive gadgets, as the Dyson Pure Cool Purifying Tower Fan is retailing at 2,829 ringgit. And if you guys are interested in getting it, I will leave links at the description below, as they are offering 2 years of guarantee and also a free delivery as well. Now aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to purify your way to the like button, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys really soon.